Hello, welcome to Trading the Markets Pay Class Edition. Here with April again. We're gonna do another one-on-one where you get to practice simulated trading in a live market condition with historical data. So, all right, let's get started. So when you're ready and hooked up, you can share your screen, April.
Okay, and you want me to go to Thinkorswim?
Yep, Thinkorswim. Live account, and you're gonna hit that button for on demand. All right, so you see that on demand button on the right corner, top right corner?
Oh, yes.
Yep, you remember this?
Okay, so just click OK.
And we're gonna pick a date. And so starting off, I just want you to focus on SPY. Like I know there's so many things you could trade, but SPY alone is it's the most liquid option. It's the most liquid, it's the most traded. So as far as getting in and out of trades, it's gonna be very easy. You don't have to worry about liquidity. And SPY is the market, and when it moves, it's very clean and clear. So I say anybody that start off trading, just pick one stock that you really want to just master, and SPY is the one. After that, you could look at Apple, you could look at QQQ, because you want to stick to liquid stocks.
Okay.
You don't ever want to get in the trade where you get stuck. All right, so pick a date. So you remember what to do?
Okay, I don't. I told you this platform scares me.
Don't be scared. You can do it. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna tell you where it is. Keep going along the right top. Keep going along the top next to the on demand button.
Oh, okay.
Yep, you see the date. You just gotta get familiar with the location of everything. So now, so pick a date. Pick a day.
Okay.
Go back a year. Go to 2019. So the other arrow to the left is the year. Yep. And then now pick a month and a date.
Okay, I'm gonna go with.
Oh, now you're changing the year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do March, I guess.
All right, March what? And then put 8:25. So we'll get 5 minutes before the market opens. 0 I think I do. I don't know if it'll work. Maybe it will. 25. I don't know if it will still work if you just put 8. And then 25. And then go. All right, so we got 5 minutes before the market opens. We're gonna do a quick drawing of our levels of interest, areas of interest, and then we're gonna let the market open and wait. So go to chart. Yeah. So learn the tabs at the top. You got monitor, trade, chart. That's the most heavy ones. So now you see SPY on 5 minutes. So you're gonna go to the daily. Always start, since we're day trading, we want to start with the daily time frame. Start with the big picture to go down.
Okay.
So do you remember what to change the time frame? Right underneath the on demand button.
Over here?
Underneath the on demand, like directly underneath it where it says 5M. Keep on saying
Gotcha.
Okay. And then we have 1 year, 1 day. So we see how SPY is moving. We see all you got to do pay attention to is the highs and the lows and how the trend has been changing in between. Okay. You know what I mean? So what's the first thing you do?
Mark my trend direction.
Well, so the first thing is to determine the trend. Okay. So what is the trend?
I feel like it's an uptrend. It's
an uptrend as of that day, yeah. And it is an uptrend because if you go back further, you'll see that we've been up. We just had that little dip into the lows. All right, so it's an uptrend. So after you identify the trend, next what? Draw your.
You said draw it.
The next step that you said earlier. You said earlier. You got to draw your.
Oh, I draw out my trend.
No, draw your support and resistance.
Oh, the support and resistance. Okay.
Mhm.
So,
You remember where to draw? Drawing tools? Oh, you already got it. Okay, you already got it up. Yeah.
I don't know if that's the right one.
That is the support. Wherever you see a ceiling, that is it's a support. It's a resistance. Wherever you see a floor, that is a support. Know that there's multiple floors and multiple ceilings. So you go closer to recent action.
Okay, so
So
this.
right there. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And then slide it out to the left more. So hold on. So click that line. I'm gonna show you something. Click that line.
Okay.
You see something that says left click, right click that line. I'm sorry.
Okay. Like that.
Well, you're making another line. That's fine. Just go all the way to the price action to the left. Go all the way to the left. Keep going to the left. Keep going right there. Yeah. Just yeah, and bring it. Yeah. That's close enough. All right, because we're gonna go small time frame anyway. So you remember we're gonna go small time frame, but you can see that it bounced off that support and maybe heading towards the ceiling. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So now go to small time frame to see more. 4 hour.
Okay.
Work your way down
So after I mark the support and resistance, I can work my
on
way
the
down.
daily. Then you go to 4 hour, then 1 hour, and then 15 minute.
Okay.
So that's the 4 hour. Okay, you see some more room with the 4 hour. I don't really. So what I'm looking for is
Mhm.
is if there's any support and resistance on the inside of this, but I don't really see it that much. So go into 1 hour.
Okay. So if it was, then I would just mark it again.
Yeah,
Because
yeah. You remember from last time. 1 hour. Let's see. Okay? So now, I guess, do you see any support or resistance?
um
Do you see any resistance inside of the resistance that you already drew?
feel like maybe right here.
Exactly. So
Okay.
draw a line right there. Yeah, you could have went all the way out, but that's
Other way? Should I go the other way?
no, that's fine. Like you can draw a little bit longer lines like that go out, but okay, go ahead. I'm gonna show you something. Go, draw right there,
Okay.
and then once after you so there you go. All right, so that's your resistance level. So you see how we're finding more ceilings inside. So
Yes.
maybe this could be a target to the upside.
Okay.
But now the market just opened. It's 8:30. So where's the new candle? Is that it right there? That red one? So go to the 15 minute. 15. Go to small time frame. 15 minute. Mm, okay. We and you see we're right at a resistance level. You see that on the 15 minute? Yeah, like right there, or even up right there. Yeah, right there. You can draw a line right there.
Okay, so it'll be from right here.
Either or.
Okay.
But I like picking a swing high though.
So what you mean by that?
So swing high is just the highest point out of that group. So you
Oh,
said, yeah, I said either or. The other one is a swing high.
okay. So this one will be the highest one, so you would choose this one?
Yeah, but it's either or though, to be honest. But I'll pick that one. I like picking that one personally. It's preference. You know what I mean? It's
Okay.
all preference. So now I'll go to 5 minute.
Okay.
So we marked our levels all the way down.
Okay.
hmm And is this so the market is open right now? Is this the new candle? I don't really see the candles moving. Can you zoom in to the right more? Yeah, like pick a spot to zoom in. Oh, you doing it that way?
Oh, I don't know. How else should I do it?
You could just use the pointer, click, and you remember, yeah, and just drag it. So, but you gotta change it to the pointer. You gotta go to drawing tools. You remember drawing tools?
Mm, my memory is so awesome. I forgot.
Right here. Let me.
Oh, at the top right here?
Yeah. See,
Okay.
right when I was going there, you already was was remembering.
This one right here,
That's the
right?
pointer. Yep.
Okay.
So all you do is pick a spot to drag to zoom on, and you got to drag it to the right. Or
Oh,
the
gotcha.
other way. Yeah. And then it zooms in. But
Okay.
is it so 8:30? So this is the new candle. Okay, this is the new 5 minute candle right here. So the price opened up right near where it closed at. That's interesting.
This one right here?
Yeah, because it says 8:30 is right there, so this is the new candle. Yeah, and it's what time is it now? It's 8:32. So go to 8, so add some time.
Okay.
8:35 or 8:36. Let's see what the next candle does.
Mhm.
Okay, now zoom in again, but zoom in from the beginning of the day. Like zoom in from the dash, the dotted line to the left, to the left.
Oh,
Start
this
there.
right here?
Yeah, yeah, start there to zoom in. All right. So that's a new day. All right. So now you see, so now if you come right here and you just drag down, it's gonna shrink the, yeah. There you go. So I can see the lines.
Okay. Keep going.
One more, yeah, keep going. Let me see if I can see the other line. Because I think there was another line. Okay. There we go. Just wanted to see the lines. So now we could say to ourselves, if it breaks this line, maybe we can look at the calls.
Okay, gotcha. Once it
Mhm.
breaks down, we
Yeah,
look at that.
all we're doing is drawing these levels so we can see what happens when it breaks. All right, so now go to the 15-minute. I want to see a bigger view of that candle.
Okay.
15.
Oh,
Mhm. All right, now zoom in. You can hit the plus button right here. Just zoom in a little bit.
down here?
Yep,
Okay.
there you go. Zoom out a little bit.
Out.
Yep,
Okay.
they're right there. Perfect. So you see how we're approaching that, right?
Mhm.
And you see how since Monday, this has been on the uptrend like this. You know what I mean? So this
Yeah.
could be a good entry. Um, I just would want it to pass this area, which is almost
Mm-hmm.
passing, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we look to the left to see what can hinder it from going up. Because
Okay.
if you look at this, this was the last candle before it came down. So this is an area where sellers are defending and like to sell. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But we seem like we're getting through it. So that's why I'm like, if we break that line, that'll be my confirmation to go up. But now let's use the moving averages because I know you wanted to use that as that was the edge I showed you too.
Mm-hmm.
So to add the moving average, you're gonna go to studies. You see studies next to drawings at the top.
Oh,
Drawing studies
yeah.
to the right. Yep, studies
Okay.
and edit studies.
Okay.
And then that list, you're gonna type in what is it? Simple moving average, SMA. SMA. Right there, daily simple moving average. Click on it, double click it. It's gonna get added to the charts. Now hit that little gear to the right. Yeah, hit that. Now we have a 9-day moving average. It's gonna be this color. They're gonna draw it as this. So change the draw as where you see draw as at the bottom left, draw as. Yep, click draw as up one right there.
Okay.
Make it a line. Look, slide up, scroll up, and make it a line. Yep, make it a line. The very first one. Select
This
that.
one?
Yep, that way it's a line. Because if you don't do that, it's gonna look like what you've seen. So
Oh,
like the dashes, yeah. So hit OK
okay.
and then apply and then OK. Oh, hold on. SMA. Oh, so that's is it that? So go back to studies. Go back to studies. Edit studies. Because there's another one, not SMA. What is it? Hit MA. I want to see what pops up. I think was it the SMA? What was it? All right, here's what we'll do. Because this is annoying. You're gonna have to keep changing that. The settings. There's another one. I
Mhm.
can't remember the name of it where it's automatically like set for you. So we're gonna change it. So right now we're on the 15 minutes. So hit the gear button. Hit the gear button. This is the slow way, but it's effective. So now you see length aggregation period day. See what it says day
Oh, let me
up
see.
up go up right there. Yeah. So change it to 15-minute.
Okay.
Slide up and then go to 15-minute. I'm gonna try to figure out what the name of that study is, so we don't have to do this. But hit OK. Now it's gonna be on point. because now it's synced to the 15-minute. Apply.
Okay.
Yeah, so now it's synced to the 15-minute. So that's the 9. So we use the 9. You do you remember the strategy? How do we use this?
You know what? Okay, you said once it get close to the line, then that's where you would enter, correct?
So basically you want to close above the line. Yeah, but you want to enter near the line, but you want it to close above the line. Like this one right here. The option is annotate. Hold on. How do I annotate? There you go. Yeah, so this, like this candle right here. You see how it closed above the line? So once it closes above the line, that's when you enter, and then and then if you want to know what to sell, definitely once it comes underneath the line is when you want to sell. But it didn't actually close underneath the line, so you could have held this to write it up. But other examples, this close above the line, right? Once it goes underneath, you sell.
Okay, so first candle to close above the line.
That's your entry candle, and then you can get stopped out using the line to stop you out.
Okay.
Yeah. So now go to the 5-minute time frames. Switch to 5. Yeah. So now we're gonna have to go to studies and change it to 5, the period to 5. Let me see, what's the name of the thing? Let me look on my computer, find the name of my chart thing. SMA. It's not the SMA. What is it called? Yeah, you change. So go to that gear icon, and change it to 5, and then now it's gonna sync. But you see this, like, to do this is tedious. So
That's all I'm gonna ask you. So would I do this every time?
there's a easier way. I just gotta remember the name of it. It's not SMA, it's something else that does it automatically. So I'm just looking on mine later. But yeah, we'll just use this for now. We'll do it the slow way for now until I remember the name of it. So look out. So look, we're above the 9, right?
Yeah.
And it looks like it's trying to make a move up, but it's not really strong. It look like, you know what I mean? It's not moving strongly. It look like it could come back down and retest that line.
So you would not have entered on that first green candle?
Because now I'm trying to get 2 confirmations. Not only close above that line, I also want to break above that red line.
Okay.
Remember? Because that red line it signifies the area where sellers like to sell. So I need to get through that to beat those sellers that's defending that line.
Okay.
Yeah, so I add, like, I don't know, 5 minutes. Oh, what is it? Let's see what we got. Okay, look, you see what I'm saying? You see how it's coming down right now? That's why we don't just enter until we get confirmation. So zoom in. You see that? So now it's starting to come underneath that line. But right now, this whole area, let me draw. This whole area right here is consolidating. You see how it's staying in between? It's not really going in one direction.
I see it.
Yeah. So look, maybe now it's gonna pick the down direction. So now, technically, this was support. You know what I mean? And it looks like it's right at support, like it's about to break the support. So if anything, let me erase this. So anything, draw a line right there. Draw a line on the support right here.
Right here?
Basically where I got it.
Okay, so I go to drawing. Would it be on the top part of this candle?
Yep.
Okay, so why would you choose that one?
Well, I'm choosing that one just because it made a high at that point, and it just so, like, sometimes you'll see, like, support become resistance and resistance becomes support. So before all what you see now happen, that was a resistance until it broke.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an old ceiling that looked like became a new floor.
Okay, so mark this one.
Yep. all the way horizontal. Yep. Straight line. Yep. Now you see what I mean? You see how that's the floor, but it was the old ceiling.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so we got about 10 minutes. So let's get a trade on. Hopefully it does something. So it has some time because we need to break either the floor or the ceiling for us to do something. And yeah, that's good.
9 o'clock is good.
Yeah, make a new candle, make up its mind. Okay, now it looks like it's inching towards the ceiling, but it still hasn't done nothing. Add some more time.
Okay.
We're not gonna budge until the market budges. Okay, you see it? It broke and it came down. Honestly, I like this because it broke it and it came down. Yeah, let's look into calls. So drag go to the side right here so you can make the numbers so we can see more lines. Yep. So we could target the 278, 279. All right, let's look at calls. Let's put in let's go to trade now and let's get ready to trade. Yeah, I think we could trade this now. Yeah, I like it. Look, it broke the line and it's near the 9. That's why I like it.
Oh, okay, because it's close here.
Mhm.
It broke the line.
Yeah, barely, but it did. So let's get ready. So yeah, trade,
Okay.
buy. So look, so expiration date number 1. Look at the date. It's March 11th. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you don't want to play 0 day because you don't have the less time you have, the more you need things to go in a straight line. Because if you have less time and it goes up and down, you're just gonna lose money. The more time you have, the more you can afford the up and downness.
Because
You know what I mean?
it'll
Yeah.
be less.
The choppiness won't chop you down. So I'll pick the March 15th one.
Okay.
You know what I mean? 4 days. Because we're scalping, so we can go short term, but we have to be strict with our stop loss.
Okay.
So I said what 279? Is that what I said? So yeah, 279 calls. All right. Just scroll down 279. See how much they are. See if it's worth going out of the money.
Okay.
81. All right. Let's do one contract of that one. $82. Oh, let me show you how to put in your stop loss in the thing at the same time. Let me show you something. So
Okay.
so hit that hit this to push it down. Where
Oh,
I circled, yeah. Hit that, and then now right click. No, wrong one. Yeah, and then you're gonna hit buy custom. Right click, buy custom. Buy custom. You see it?
yes.
And then OCO bracket.
Okay.
Click that. So now you can put in your stop loss and your take profit at the same time. So we're gonna put this down to 1 contract instead of 10 on all of them.
Oh, even on these we're here?
Yeah, those are your sell orders. Oh, you gotta go plus. You gotta go plus.
Oh.
Yeah, because this selling is like negative. Net -1. Yep, and another one -1. So now we're gonna put in 3 orders: the order to get in, the order to take profit, and the order to stop us out. So this is how you make your trading automated. This is how you automate your trading.
Okay. Gotcha.
Right. Yeah. So now 82 is the price that we're getting in. You see why it says limit 82? So right here, limit order 182. That means that we're gonna try to sell it if it hits 182. I don't think it'll get that high, but who knows? I'll probably just put it to like 140. Like so right here. Let me draw. So right here is where you put in your target profit.
Okay.
So I would bring this number down to like 140 or something, 130 or 140, because I don't think it'll get that high.
Okay. 40.
And then and then your stop loss. So go right here. Change that to stop limit. Click it, stop limit. So like I said, I don't risk more than 20%. So 10% of 83 is what?
10%. Is it $8.
Yep, $8.30.
Mhm.
So what's 20% then?
16.
60. Yep, 1660. So now subtract $16 from this price, and that should be your stop.
$16 from the 1/4.
No, from the 83 that you got in from.
Okay.
Yeah, my fault. Let me uncircle this. So what's that?
77. You
Yeah,
said
no, 70 would be minus 13, so 67. All right, so that's the number to put in there.
67,
67. Mm-hmm.
and I put it
Erase the minus, just put 60.67.
right here on this one,
Yep, for both of them.
and on this one as well.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes I be doing it both of them. Some platforms they want you to put the stop higher, so you can put 68. Put the stop at 68 just so you can practice like other platforms. Yeah, I think it's
Okay.
what lets you do it. So now you got your stop. But look, since we've been talking, the price has been going down. You see how it went to 79?
Okay, that's the price right there. Okay.
The price went down. Before it was 83.
Okay.
So now it only costs 79 versus 83. So now before we put it on, let's look at the charts again because it looked like something changed when we were doing all this talking. So go to the chart tab, yeah. Top,
Chart.
yeah.
Okay.
And look, okay, so look, it came down, but it still is above the 9.
Mm-hmm.
And as long as it doesn't come down,
Mm-hmm.
too much, I would still like it.
Okay, you still put a call.
So here's but here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put a limit order. We're gonna try to get a little cheaper in case this dips a little bit lower.
Okay.
So go back to monitor. Go back here. Monitor, monitor tab. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, let's put in the trade. And then go to trade. All right. So now it's at 77. Put 75.
Right here.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, it's actually going up. Actually, you could put 77.
Okay.
Yeah, 77. Let's see if we get filled. Yep. And then enter. Confirm send.
Okay. See?
Yeah.
Confirm. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Send. You got filled. You see that? You got filled at 77. So now go to monitor. And hit SPY.
Okay. So you said
Down here. You see the red line I drew?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you see, you got it at 77. You're at break even.
Okay.
And this is your stop loss. This is your target profit, and this is your stop loss right here. You see that?
Okay, that's a stop loss.
All right. So we got like 1 minute. All right, speed up time. Add some time now.
Okay, so now go back to
Right here. Mm-hmm. And add 20 minutes or something. At 9:30 ish, yep. And then go. Yeah, I just want a result. We just need a result.
And then go back to chart.
Yep. Let's see what happened. Zoom in. Wow, I was still playing around. Add some more time. Add some more time. We got a minute left. Add a lot of time. Mm-hmm.
Add more time?
Yeah. Yeah, add like an hour. Because we gotta, this is about to be over. That's why. I just want to see the result. I want to see the result. All right, what's above that line? Go to monitor. Are you in profit? If you're in profit, just take it. Let's see. You're in profit, take it.
Okay, so
You know how to sell?
no, I don't.
Oh, we got less than a minute. All right, so hit it, create closing order. Just hit the button. Yeah. Like click on it, the option. Yep, create right click it. You have the blue line where you at.
Okay.
Yep, create closing order.
Closing order.
Sell. And sell. Confirm and send. Take your money. Good job, April.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, you made profit. Now go back to monitor.
Okay.
See if I can do this real quick. Go back to fill the order right here.
Okay.
See, you got in at 77. You got out at 86.
Okay.
You made